Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Azure Synapse Studio for Big Data Exploration, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Azure Synapse Studio for Big Data Exploration, begin by visiting the official Azure website. Log into your Microsoft Azure account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on Create an Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure portal. In the Azure portal, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type Azure Synapse Analytics in the search bar and select it from the drop-down list. You will be directed to the Azure Synapse Analytics overview page. Click the Create button to start the setup process. Select your Azure subscription from the list. Choose or create a resource group, where your Synapse workspace will reside. Enter a unique name for your Synapse workspace. Select the region that is closest to your location for better performance. In the workspace settings, choose the SQL admin login and password. Make sure to save these credentials securely. Next, decide on the features you need for your workspace, such as serverless SQL pools or Spark pools. You can customize the storage account options if necessary, or accept the defaults. Review your selections on the Review plus Create page. Once everything is correct, click the Create button. Azure will now begin deploying your Synapse workspace. This process may take a few minutes. Once the deployment is complete, you will receive a notification. Click on Go to Resource to access your newly created Synapse workspace. Inside the workspace, look for Open Synapse Studio and click on it. This action will open Azure Synapse Studio in a new tab. You are now ready to start exploring big data in Azure Synapse Studio. Familiarize yourself with the interface and explore the various features available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.